What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you guys that I am entering my position again in, and of course this stock is none other than Zillow, ticker symbol Z, and of course they have another ticker you can trade, which I'm not going to get into that one. It's pretty much the same thing. The only difference between these two tickers is one of them has voting rights and the other one doesn't. Ticker symbol Z doesn't, but the other one does, and it's a little bit more pricey, but they are absolutely the same. They pretty much trade at the same level. Only the difference is the price and voting power. So anyways, guys, we are going to go over in this video why I think Zillow is an absolute buy. It is a great buying opportunity. A lot of signals telling us to buy on the charts, which we will go over individually, and we will go over why I think the charts are setting up perfectly. Where is our buy zone? Where is our sell zone? All the details you need to know about Zillow and everything you need to be aware of. Especially they got earnings coming up, so you might want to watch out for the options towards the end of the video that I'll go over if you want to do a earnings play on Zillow. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel and I really do appreciate it. And also check out my Patreon page. This is on sale right now. We are making some crazy trades and I want you guys to be part of that. I want to help you guys out if you are a new trader and help you become a successful trader. So check out my Patreon page. Come join us. Come trade with us. And with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what is going on with Zillow, ticker symbol Z. And if you guys are interested in trading the other Zillow stock, it is just ZG. Pretty much both of them are relatively same. It's just one of them is a little bit more pricier than the other one. And this one actually has voting power versus Z does not have voting power if you are a shareholder. But the price are very similar, just $1 or $2 difference, right? That's the only difference between these. But I'm going to go over pretty much just a Zillow ticker symbol Z today. It's going to be relatively exactly the same. Both charts are exactly replica. So you guys get to choose which one you want to trade. It makes absolutely no difference. But I want to trade Z, all right? It makes no difference, but that's just the way I'm choosing it. All right, so where is a good price to buy? It's right here, guys. It is right on the line, perfectly right at support level. And we have MACD crossing over, TSI crossing over, giving us a major buy signal. And of course, we have the histogram shifting up towards momentum. We get everything, all right? And the RSI is starting to build up. It is a stage 2 breakout. It has already broken out. We had a crazy death the past week or two. And of course, on Monday was just the beginning of a crazy recovery, right? The stock just broke out and it is extremely bullish right now. It is a stage 2 breakout. I think right now is a great opportunity to still get in. Our first sell target is going to be around 120. If you want to sell, I would sell around 120. All right. The main target is going to be 140. It's a lot harder to get here. Last time it tried to get over there, but 124 and it failed, right? So it could go up to 120 plus and then maybe fail around 124. If we break 124, we definitely can see 140 being a possibility, right? 140 is definitely a nice possibility. We just need this stock to break out. And the good part is Zillow is going to be having earnings, of course, coming up on August 5th. So check that out if you want to do an earnings play. Options, I'm going to go over that. You guys can choose to play the options if you like or not. All that is going to be up to you. If we go to tip ranks, they're saying it's worth $170. I think that's absolutely insane. The stock has never even, actually it has hit all-time highs over here around 190 before, all right? So we can't say never. It can get there again, but the possibility of getting there anytime soon is going to be really tough. We just need a crazy amounts of earnings and crazy amounts of bullishness towards Zillow for it to ever go back up to 170 area, right? Which is it is very hard to do. All right, we need lots and lots of news for Zillow to do that. All right, right now I think 140 is probably going to be the top we see. That's where my major target is for sale, but I would definitely start unloading some shares around the 120 plus area. Right, Friday, if we look at it, we had a nice day. It was up around almost a 1%, with our after hours declining barely anything, like 3 pennies drop, right, which is nothing, right? So Zillow, lots of bullishness is coming towards this company. As we can see, they are doing very well, right? They are prospering every quarter. If we check out their quarterly, they are doing very well, right? If we look at their annually, they're doing pretty decent, right? They are just growing. As a company, it is growing positively. I think it is worth an investment to get in. You could do this as a long-term play. It is definitely a high-powered growth stock, but for me, it is a short trade. I don't want to focus too much on worrying how fast this stock is going to move up and down, because look at that. It went to 120s and boom, every single day was a red day from that day. It was just massacre, right? It was a massacre. So it is hard to play this stock for long term because it moves so much. But if you are a long term holder, that this could be something for you, right? Right now, look at that. It hit almost 99 and it bounced right up and it flew back up, right? This was a great buying opportunity. I got very lucky. I got a few shares. I didn't get too many. I got a few shares and it bounced and flew. I want to play this again. We did get to sell some around here last time that we did our video. So I think we have a possibility of doing a replay on Zillow stock. Right? If you guys want to do some options, stay tuned. I'm about to go over it right now. All right, going over some options for earnings week. I think it is an absolutely horrible idea. There is absolutely no open interest. Look at how terrible the volume is right now, right? You might say maybe right now it's actually cheap, but this stock will lose value if it doesn't considerably keep going up over time. Look at open interest. It's just so low, right? 40s, 50s. I was hoping at least a couple hundred, right? It is just not something I would get in. I would not do options on this, guys. I would not play option play for earnings on this because just look at how low the volume is, right? The possibility of these options going up dramatically is going to be very, very low, right? Unless the stock does tremendously well in earnings. The open interest is horrible, right? Open interest is terrible. Look at that. It is so bad, right? The odds of this flying is going to be really low. If anything, the highest I see is around 73, right? Which is not even that great, right? 206, this is pretty high. So if you're gonna do any options play, 115 would probably be the one I choose because it has the most open interest from the ones I've been looking at for August 6th earnings play. Make sure you are clicking buy call if you are betting the stock will go up, which is what I believe will do. So be careful if you're gonna play earnings. I do not consider doing it. I'm personally not going to be doing options on this. That's just my take from what I see. The open interest is way too low and the IV is way too high. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you guys when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sell signals there and very useful information you might need to know and be aware of. Also, guys, check out my Patreon page. I cannot stress that enough right now. It is on sale. Come trade with us. Come join us. It is on a mega sale, and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Also, do not miss out on the promotion right now going on with WeBull, where you can get 4 free stocks, 2 just for signing up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of only $5 right now, and they will give you 4 total stocks for free. 2 of them just for signing up, and 2 of them when you make $5 deposit, and 2 of those will be valued from $8 all the way up to $2,000. Check the link in the description box below for your 4 free stocks from WeBull. And if you want another free stock, of course, we have FirstTrade, which gives out pretty decent stocks. And of course, finally, we have Robinhood, which gives out pretty decent stocks here and there as well. Thanks again for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.